students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we are going to study from Feathercap People and Places Class 2. This is chapter number 10, Rest and Recreation. So, rest. We do a lot of activities in whole day, right? So our body needs to relax. We need rest. And what is recreation? Recreation is basically the things you do for your joy. The games you play, the way you do shopping, the way you do dancing, singing, or the way you go for shopping in the fairs, you do rides, you go to circus. So these are all the means of recreation. Okay? So rest. जब हम कोई भी चीज़ों को रिक्रिएट करते हैं, हम घूमते हैं, हम खेलते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं या बाहर जाते हैं, सो हम थक जाते हैं, राइट? सो आवर बॉडी नीड टू रिलैक्स, वी नीड रेस्ट टू. अगर हम रेस्ट करेंगे तो हमारी बॉडी उतनी ही फ्रेश वापस से हो जाएगी, राइट? So in this chapter we are going to study about rest and recreation. So I hope you're all ready with your books and pencils. So let's get started. We cannot work all the time. So a human being needs to rest, right? We are not machines, so we cannot work whole time. We feel tired. So we need rest. जब हम थक जाते हैं हमें रेस्ट चाहिए होता है. During rest we like to have fun. And जब रेस्ट लेते हैं हम, हमें क्या होता है कि जब हमारा रेस्ट हो जाता है we like to have fun. Rest refreshes our body. और रेस्ट से हमारी बॉडी रिफ्रेश हो जाती है. We get a lot of energy back. Fun refreshes our mind. जब आप थक जाते हो बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करके, what do? You do some fun activities, right? उससे क्या होता है, आपका माइंड रिफ्रेश हो जाता है. We have fun when we do things we enjoy. हमें बहुत, जब हमें कोई चीज़ों में बहुत ज़्यादा फन आता है, मज़ा आता है, तो हम उन चीज़ों को बहुत ज़्यादा इंजॉय करते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड रिक्रिएशन. और इसी चीज़ को ही हम रिक्रिएशन कहते हैं. जो चीज़ें हम अपने इंजॉय के लिए करें या फिर बॉडी को, अपने माइंड को रिफ्रेश करने के लिए करें, या फिर वो चीज़ें करें जो हमें इंजॉय करवाती हैं या मज़ा आता है जो चीज़ें करने में, दैट इज ऑल योर रिक्रिएशन. Now we need recreation after a day's work. अब हम जब पूरे दिन का काम कर लेते हैं, हमें रिक्रिएशन की जरूरत पड़ती है, थक जाते हैं, रिफ्रेश करने का मन करता है, तो रिक्रिएशन मेक्स अस फ्रेश. जो रिक्रिएशन का होता है, रिक्रिएशन होता है, ये हमें क्या करता है, फ्रेश कर देता है हमारे माइंड को. We go to playground and play there. So when you do your homework, when you do your class work, you go to school, you come back, you study, you self-study, you do all your homework. So you feel very tired, right? So what do? You go to playgrounds to play football, cricket or anything. So what do there? आप इससे क्या हो जाते हो, क्यों हो जाते हो? So that you can feel fresh and energetic. Sometimes we go for a picnic. We go to park, garden, hill or lakeside. कभी कभी हम पिकनिक पे भी जाते हैं, hill stations. It can be park, it can be gardens or anything. We play, sing or dance. We take food there. हम वहाँ पे play करते हैं, sing करते हैं, dance करते हैं, वहाँ पे खेलते हैं. So these are all your means of recreation. Now sometimes we go to zoo. It is real fun at the zoo. So what do we do at zoo? Have you ever been to zoo? Yes. If you have ever been to zoo, you might have seen a lot of animals. So in the zoo we see animals like lions, apes, zebras and bears. So हमें ये वाले animals zoo में देखने को मिलते हैं. Now we see much more. There are a lot of animals which you can find in the zoo. Sometimes we go to a fair. बहुत बार हम fair पे भी जाते हैं. Fair में rides होती हैं, shopping होती है. We enjoy swings and rides there. और वहाँ पे बहुत सारी swings और rides होती हैं. So this is a picture of a fair. We eat ice creams too. We purchase toys. So these are some things which we do while we are going to a fair. Now sometimes we go to a circus. बहुत बार circus पे जाते हैं. In circus what do you find? You find clown and you find other fun activities. Artists and animals do a lot of fun. So a lot of artists and animals perform in the circus. We enjoy the tricks of the clowns. So there are clowns also present in the circus. So we also enjoy the tricks which are played by the clowns. Now, assess yourself. First, take the correct answer. Recreation makes us dash. So, what does recreation makes us? Recreation makes us fresh, right? We see apes at, so ape is an animal. We see it at the zoo. Now, we enjoy swings and rides in a dash. हम swings और rides कहाँ पे enjoy करते हैं? We enjoy it in a circus. Sorry, we enjoy it in a fair. Match the following. This is ball. So where do we use the ball? Where do we play with the ball? We play it in the playground. Now clown. This is a picture of a clown. Where you can find the clown? You can find the clown in the circus. Another thing is your swings. So where do you can find the swings? So we play on, we use swings and rides on the fairs. At the fairs. Now this is the lion. Where do we find the lion? We find the lion at zoo. Answer in one word. Where do you see the clowns? So we see the clowns in circus. So write circus here, CIRCUS. Another thing, where do you purchase toys? So हम toys कहाँ से purchase करते हैं? We purchase toys in the fairs. Now, where do you go to play? We go to play in the parks or gardens. Fourth, where do you go for a picnic? We go on a picnic for a picnic at a hillside or a lakeside. Or you can even write garden or park. Hillside or lakeside. So these are your answers for 3 exercises. Now let's get to another exercise. Answer the following questions. First, what is recreation? So you will find the definition of the recreation on page number 1. So we cannot work all the time. We feel tired, so we need rest. During rest, we like to have fun. Rest refreshes our body. Fun refreshes our mind. We have fun when we do things which we enjoy. So this is known as recreation. So this is your answer number 1. Now question number 2. How do you spend your free time? So in this answer, you have to write how do you spend your free time. You go to picnic, you go to circus, or you like to play in the garden, where you like to play cricket, football, or anything. So you have to write the things which you do when you have a free time. Now, how do you feel after taking rest? So after taking rest, we feel very fresh and energetic. So this is your answer number 3. So we have completed the chapter. We have also done all the exercises. I hope everything is clear. Thank you so much. Happy learning.